Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. First of all, a very happy new year 2018 to everyone. May God bless you all and may all your wishes come true this year. So today I have Fab Bag unboxing video. So this is the Fab Bag for the month of January 2018, and yes, this is my first video for the year 2018. So let's go ahead and see what all is there in the Fab Bag for the month of Jan. So the box retails for 599 rupees, and if you go for higher subscriptions, the price decreases accordingly. So the quality of the Fab Bag this time is pretty good, I would say, as compared to the quality which was offered last month. Last month's pouch I did not like that much, but okay. So moving ahead, we have as usual, we have the three cards, wherein one is the contest card and the other has all the details of the products which are there in the Fab Bag. Next, we have the renewal of a coupon code. This is for me, since my subscription is ending for this month, so I need to renew my subscription. So yeah, this is how the bag looks like, and the quality of the bag overall is very decent. So starting with the star product for this month's Fab Bag is the Sugar Contour de Force Mini Bronzer. Now you have options between Sugar and Belvoste brand this time. So I opted for Sugar Bronzer and the Lip Crayon. So this is the mini bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder, and this is how it looks like. It's a soft brown shade which matches my skin tone, and it's very pigmented, it's very soft, it's glides on like butter. And see, this is how it actually matches a lot with my skin, and it's very blendable, it's very easy to blend, and I really like this product. Seriously, Sugar is doing great in terms of the products which they are launching. So the next star product for me is this lip crayon. Now this is lip crayon is in the shade Voila. Now this shade is common for everyone, you do not have options in this. And one more thing is that this is a travel size which is marked as not for sale. It is not the regular size which you get in the market. So the cost of it is 325 rupees. The regular ones come for around 799 rupees. So this is for 2.5 grams. So let me take out the lip crayon and show you all. So this is how the crayon looks like. A very good, sleek and very sturdy packaging, very travel friendly, and it is super duper easy to apply. It is, I love these lip crayons for the matter of fact that they are so glides on so smoothly. See, this is so easy to apply. As you can see, this shade, it is towards neutral shades. It's one of the neutral shades with pink undertone to it, and it looks super nice on my lips. At least on my shade, I am towards fair to medium skin tone, and it looks really gorgeous. The pigmentation is awesome, and I already own 2-3 lip shades in this range, and I'm happy to get another one. So the next product is Moha Shower Gel. Now this is 30 ml quantity and it is herbal, and the all the instructions and all the details, batch details are there on the box. As you can see, this is a sample size product, and this is by brand Moha, and the cost of this sample size is around, oh, this is a bonus seller, bestseller bonus, so it comes as a bonus product. So the next product is Vedantika Rose Sandal Face Wash. It is 50 ml quantity. All the details regarding the batch number and the price is mentioned. The price of this is 150 rupees, and it comes in 50 ml quantity. So the next product is with the Nirvana handmade soap. It is in flavor orange. Now this is completely natural product, and it's a full size product. The MRP and the batch details are all provided at the back of the packaging, and the price of this soap is 150 rupees. Let me show you guys. Wow, so this is how the soap looks like, and as soon as I opened this packaging, it actually the fragrance is amazing. The aroma is all over the place. It's really very. So apart from this, there was two sachets from brand Acne. It was a foaming face wash. It was cost 5 rupees each. So that is something which I missed in this video, but I'll be putting the picture of it. So according to me, these two sugar products were the star products for this month, which actually exceeded around 1,000 rupees and which was a big hit for this month. And seriously guys, if you haven't booked your Fab Bag till now, go ahead and definitely go for this month's Fab Bag because it has sugar products which is actually very good products. So this is all guys, this is all I have for the month of January 2018. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe, hit the like button and do share. Till then, keep watching this space for some more such videos. Take care, bye.